Good morning everyone. We are honored to have the opportunity to present our project to you today. We have completed this project under the guidance of Rupam sir, who is the main lead of this project. Along with it, Suraj sir and Kailash sir helped us in many technical aspects. Their experience and guidance have been vital throughout the journey, and we look forward to sharing our work with you. I am Ashish Kumar, representing Group 2 EI Department, NIT Agartala. Along with me, Golu Kumar, Muskan Gupta, Ankit Kumar Singh, and Avantika Dev are the members of this group. I would like to grab your attention towards the smartphone control home automation project where technology meets convenience. In this project, we have harnessed the power of Arduino, Bluetooth, and a custom mobile app to put control on your fingertips. So let's move to the components of the project. We are having several components in this project. Firstly, there is Arduino Uno R3 to connect the inputs of user to the outputs. Then there is SC05 Bluetooth module which transmits and receives the data between mobile application and Arduino. And here is L298N motor driver to control the flow of current into the DC motor. We are having a DC motor and an LED for the outputs and a 9-volt battery to powering up on the project. And there is a custom mobile app and Arduino IDE to complete this project. Now let's move on the coding part of this project. Here we are in the coding part of this project. You can see there are two coding interfaces, one for Arduino, another one for the mobile application. Coming towards the Arduino code, we have connected LED at output pin 9 and inputs of motor driver at output pin 4 and 7 and enable pin of driver at the output pin 3. Here 9 and 3 are the PWM pins for analog output. When the output is available to the Arduino, it will collect in the variable I, and depending upon the value of I, the Arduino will set the intensity of light between 0 to 255. And if the value of output is 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 or 800, it will set the speed of fan according to the variable declared in the code. Now we come to the coding part of the application, and there are many blocks for taking the inputs from user and transmitting them to the Arduino. And this is the interface of our application. You can search for nearby Bluetooth devices from here and turn off the LED from here and turn on the LED from here. By using this slider, you can set the intensity of light, and there are 5 modes of fan speed are given, and you can give command to the Arduino by your voice from this application. Now we are in the working section of this project, and this is our mobile application. You can search from here for the nearby Bluetooth devices and select HC05, which is this module, and by tapping on button I can turn on the LED, and by tapping off button I can turn off the LED. By this slider you can set the intensity of light and increase or decrease it. By tapping mode 1, I can run the fan on low speed, and mode 2 will increase its speed, mode 3 will increase its speed again, mode 4 will increase this speed more, and mode 5 will run this motor on the highest speed, and the off button will turn off the fan. Now you can give voice command to this project. Turn on the LED, turn off the LED, turn on the fan, turn off the fan. And you can see all the commands are received in the terminal of Arduino.